Good news for all Mobile Legends player. KOF event will be back again on June 12, 2021. If you are asking if there are free tickets, then the answer is yes. There are free tickets. If you are asking if how many tickets are free, we don't know yet, but I'm sure there is. If you are asking if you need VPN to access it, then no, this event is available for all servers. If you are asking how to get more tickets, then do the following. Log in 1 ticket, recharge any amount 2 tickets, recharge 100 dias 3 tickets, spend 100 dias 3 tickets, recharge 250 dias 3 tickets, spend 250 dias 3 tickets. If there is free 1 ticket like pre-order, then total tickets you can get is 18 tickets. What are the skins you can get? If you don't have Korean as Leona, then you will get it after 10 times draws. If you already have it, then you will get other epic skins or KOF skins. If you are asking if how many days this event will be available, then the answer is, this event will be available from June 12, 2021 to June 14, 2021. So you should take this chance. The chances to get beautiful skins is very low, so just hope that you ain't lucky enough to get beautiful skins. That's all. Thanks for watching and good luck on your draws, ha ha ha.